Greeting everybody! I am alive! Yes, I'm alive. Sorry for the long away time. As you can tell, I'm actually in a new setting, so I actually moved across country again. I'm back to the west side now, no longer in the east side, so sad. But I want to give you a quick update that I'll be doing tutorials again for the 3 costumes I'll be working on. This 3 costume is going to be for Katsucon. I'll be attending in Maryland. So if anyone's actually going to be attending Katsucon, and if you want to shoot or get together or anything, just let me know, message me, and we'll arrange something, right? But let's move on because, as you can tell, I'm talking kind of fast. My camera don't allow me to do too long of the video. So anywho, 3 costume. First costume, Nico Olivia from One Piece. This is Nico Robin's mom. So we'll be doing this. Remember reference photos? We gotta put them all out, every angle, so we can break it down. But any of that, that's not Nico Olivia, obviously. This is actually the second costume I'll be working on, which is this one. This is from Aeon Online, and this is one of the newer set of clothing, armors, whatever. So I love this, so I'm gonna be doing that. Not working on this bow though, it's gonna be a different bow because traveling reasons, but yes, it's gorgeous. I love this costume. And finally, the third one, which I love, absolutely love, is the girl right here. This costume is like a unicorn theme thing, so I'm very excited for this one. So we'll be working on this as well, and the dress form I actually have one of the fabric on it, so I already have the white fabric gathered. So right now is a good time to gather it actually for my little winter costume because you know why? It's Christmas time and everything is everywhere. This is so perfect. I found this at the dollar store. I was so happy to see it because I was worrying where I'm gonna find, you know, like clear snowflakes. So perfect. Anywho, but yes, we'll be covering those 3 costumes. Of course, like I mentioned, you know, to start any projects, you need to start gathering materials, looking at gathering reference photos. So I've been doing that, and so upcoming videos are gonna be, you know, starting with any of these costumes actually. So I'm thinking of working on 3 of them at the same time, and then I'll just tell you about, you know, what to do, and then oh my god, what to do, and then, you know, I'll do them and then I'll show the result. So that way we don't waste time sitting there, you know, you watching me sew in like high-speed mode or whatever. So that way, just a lot of cuttings in between, but yes, I cannot wait to start the project and I cannot wait to work on these with you. And I mean, as you follow it, you probably be interested in knowing some of these that probably will help you in your own costume someday-ish. But yeah, I don't know how helpful the last 2 costumes that I did for the tutorial-ish was, you know, with the Kenshin and the Skip Beat one, but, you know, let me know. Feel free to comment if you want me to show anything specific. But anywho, thank you for watching, you guys. I will see you in the next video very soon, hopefully. We have until February to finish this, so let's do it, okay? See ya!